Hi, it's Morris from Case Design Remodeling in Halifax. Today I'm going to walk you through a complete condo renovation that we have completed in Halifax. So it was a great location. It needed a lot of work, and so we really touched everywhere in the condominium. You can see the cabinets were dated, style needed to be updated, bathrooms, sort of main level had lots of small separated rooms, not a lot of natural light coming through. All the flooring, all the paint, all the trim had to be updated. So now you can see some of the after pictures we did. We wanted to really focus on a really formal entry, and so you can see some of the contrasting between the built-ins, the molding, the wallpaper. Moving in, we did a real sort of high design fireplace with tile surround, lots of room for highlighting items the clients have collected over the years. We tore out the walls and did a nice open concept between the living room and the kitchen. And you can see sort of new flooring, new trim, new moldings. And it really gave the client a nice entertaining space, some nice custom bar area for storage and for wine. And now we're gonna kind of give you a little quick look at some of the custom tile work done in the bathrooms for the update. If you need any help with kitchen, the bathroom, condo, or a whole house renovation, don't hesitate to give our Halifax office a call, 902-454-2273. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day.